For whatever reason, when I woke up this morning, I don't know why, but I had this weird feeling like this is weird, but I felt like crying and I have no idea why. I got out of bed and my shoulder was like half hanging out, and then I like tripped and fell, and then I went into the bathroom and I looked out the window for a second when I was just feeling the worst I could ever feel. I'm not sure why. I looked outside for 1 second, and all of a sudden that feeling, that dark feeling I had, I looked at nature for 1 second. Let me show you what I saw. This was this morning at my house. There's a little tiny irrigation pond, and I saw this. And all of a sudden, like, I saw the deer that were sitting there, and they're coming out more and more every morning, and it's the first time I really stopped to take a look. And I felt like, and Marlene's saying they're coming out more and more every morning. It gave me this like feeling of joy and overwhelming, this sensation of just, I went from the lowest, darkest moment to the happiest, joyous moment. It was refreshing, it was like oxygen, and I was like mesmerized, and I just stared at it. So what it made me realize is that there's a silver lining to this. The ozone layer, from what I'm reading, may be healing. Antarctica is clearing up. We're looking at the fact that people have kind of passed this thing along, and the earth is healing itself. But the reason why I brought it up is that there's something positive in all this crap that's going on right now. There's something positive. And if we each try to think of one thing each day and maybe just go out in nature, which I never do, it might turn around that mood, and then you might be able to help somebody.